Good evening, everyone. So, in the last video, we had seen that how to display current date and current date with time. That is, these two function we used. That is, for current date we use today function, and current date and time we use now function. Now, today we'll see how to display current day. That is, whether today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, which day is it today. Okay, so show, let's say if I'm writing here, so current day of week. Okay, so see, the moment I press enter, or you press enter here, you see this now function executes and the time is changing. Okay, so you can practice that one, but here today we'll see. Now if today is 23rd of November, so what is the day of week? So to know the day of week, we have to use the following function. You see, that is, you have to write here first text. You can start with the capital, and you have to write the current date function. So for current date, we already use today function. You can simply write here today function and press a comma, then start a double quote and write 4 times capital D. Okay, you see the difference when I write 3 times D and 4 times D. Okay, so if I write here 4 times D and close the quote and close the bracket also, and if I press enter now, you see the day of week will come as, you see, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. You can check with your calendar. You see here, so today is 23rd and it is Wednesday. So this is the function. So I can write it here. The function, that is the function used is, you can simply copy and paste for your reference. So let me write here. So this is the function you can use to display the current day of a week. Okay, suppose if you want to display just word, okay, like this. So what you will do, instead of this 4D, you simply write 3D. Okay, like if I write here text today, comma, and if I write 3D and press enter, you see where it comes. So the function is same, just you have to reduce or decrease 1D and you see the output. So these are very simple, and it is sometimes required when you print your Excel document. So practice it, and if you have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section. So thank you very much.